Not all schools welcome parental involvement in the way this school does. They really see the parents and the wider community as a resource for the school and really encourage the parents to come in and get involved.
The school holds an annual reading meeting to help parents understand how reading is taught at school so that they can use the same method at home.
Welcome everybody, it's fantastic so many of you have come. There's all sorts of different things that they're doing when they're reading. A lot of people have misconceptions about how it happens. What they're doing, as you probably realise, is they're guessing from the pictures and they're using the repetition. They've sussed out that each page follows the same pattern, and that's absolutely fine. We often get parents saying, but they're just looking at the pictures. Yes, they can't read it. Of course they're looking at the pictures. That's what we want them to do, and that is part of reading. Right, we're on to readers. They can read a simple book like this. And as they're reading along, they need to have strategies to work out, as they're reading along, how to approach a new word. Are they going to do it from the picture? Are they going to do it from the letter sounds? Are they going to do it from the context and the meaning? And that is where they're working. And we've got Priya on the video, but you'll see she's actually using more letter sounds and sight vocabulary.
And look, this is a big shaker of salt.
Salt.
Salt? Do you think you might put salt in?
Yes.
How much? Do you think you put a cup in or one of those?
A spoon in.
A spoon in. So in goes a spoon of salt.
One of the key areas that comes back to us from parents about something that they find difficult is reading. We do want to help them and we do want to assist them so that they feel that they come equipped with the right kind of tools, the right level of confidence to support children, and also so that there are consistencies in the approach between how reading is being managed, both at home and at school.
Right, now it's over to you. I'm sure there's things that have happened for you that you could share usefully with other people.
There's one thing I do with my son, like simple words. I try to make him write it out. Well, I write it out in a row, and then he writes it like 3 times, and then I make him say the sounds. It could be sh or th.
I've tried that strategy, but it hasn't worked for me. Because when I write in rows and then tell him to write that, he's like, no, I know a better way of doing it. Miss Abraham told me to do it this way. So it's a bit confusing. So I really don't know how to help him.
Yeah, I mean, if he's trying to show you what he's learned, maybe go with that. Let him show you what he's learned.
My son, he had difficulty with reading and spelling. So what I said to him, I gave him a magic pen that he can imagine anywhere he is, he can write it. Just imagine it in his head. Fantastic. And it's helped a lot.
Yeah, it's little things like that that set children off, isn't it? A little bit of imagination and a little bit to make it fun for them.
Yeah, he enjoys it, and he enjoys writing, and he does it everywhere.
Oh, have you got any more of those?